After addressing the buzz around her and Ranbir Kapoor's troubled relationship, Alia Bhatt has continued to express her love for him. But this time, she touched hearts in a deeply personal and emotional way. In a recent video, Alia left fans teary-eyed as she wrote and read out a heartfelt letter to her younger self. Sitting calmly, she spoke to the little girl she once was, reflecting on her journey, expressing gratitude for the life she leads today, and sharing gentle advice shaped by experience. The moment felt raw, intimate, and full of warmth. Through the letter, Alia spoke about the people who shaped her life: her parents Mahesh Bhatt and Soni Razdan, her sister Shaheen Bhatt, her daughter Raha, and Ranbir Kapoor. Each line carried emotion, making it clear how personal the letter truly was. She began with encouragement and hope, saying, "Dear little me, I know you're always dreaming. Please don't stop doing that. The dreamer in you is your superpower." Speaking about her mother, Alia shared a reminder filled with gratitude. "Please praise Mama's cooking some more. Say it out loud. One day you'll be a mother yourself and you'll realize how much love went into everything she made and did for you, even on days you didn't notice." She then reflected on her bond with her sister Shaheen, saying, "Be nice to your sister, one day she's going to be your best friend. Don't take her for granted. Give her more time and more love." Recalling memories with her father Mahesh Bhatt, Alia said, "Spend time with Papa. One day he will offer you a film, not because of the result of the film but because you want to spend more time with him, and those memories are going to be the best memories of your life." Fans were especially moved when Alia spoke about love and Ranbir Kapoor. She shared, "Dear little me, please don't cry over that stupid boy in high school. It's not worth it. I promise you that one day, you'll meet the best boy in the world. The one you've always secretly had a crush on. He is going to love you with respect, comfort, peace and laughter. He'll be your safest place, your best friend, and he'll know everything about you. You know you wanted someone to always read your mind? He'll do that for you." What truly melted hearts was her message about her daughter Raha. "You're going to have the most beautiful daughter in the world and your heart will grow in ways that you cannot imagine. She's also going to be a little lawyer, so prep up." The video sparked an emotional response online, with fans calling it beautiful, heartfelt, and deeply moving. On the work front, Alia Bhatt is currently shooting for Love and War, co-starring Ranbir Kapoor and Vicky Kaushal. Fans are eagerly waiting for this Sanjay Leela Bhansali film. Bollywood actor Deepika Padukone became a mother in 2024 when she and Ranveer Singh welcomed their daughter, Dua Padukone Singh. In a recent interview, Deepika shared that her daughter has become the most important part of her life and fans loved her sweet and honest answers. Talking about her obsession, Deepika said, "Not current, I'm going to remove current from it. My obsession is my daughter." She spoke warmly about her bond with her child. When asked about the strangest thing in her bag, she said it was a piece of thepla that Dua had been eating and that accidentally ended up in her bag. Deepika also shared that her favorite karaoke song right now is the nursery rhyme Head, Shoulders, Knees and Toes. When asked about a phrase she uses often, Deepika said, "In a good way, I've been saying, 'I love you' a lot to my baby." She also said that if she had not become an actor, she thinks she would have been an interior designer. However, she added that her husband Ranveer Singh feels she would have been a good lawyer. Fans showed their love in the comments section. One fan wrote, "She's beaming with happiness." Another said, "Her eyes shine when she talks about her little one. She looks so happy being a mother, wow." A third comment read, "DB being happy and having a baby girl to love, prettiest mum." Another fan said, "Cutest mum," while someone else added, "Oh my god, that is so wholesome." Ranveer and Deepika welcomed their first child, daughter Dua Padukone Singh, on 8 September 2024. 2 months later, they shared the meaning of her name, writing, "Dua meaning a prayer, because she is the answer to our prayers. Our hearts are filled with love and gratitude." On Dua's first birthday, the couple also shared her cute photos, which quickly went viral on social media. Deepika will return to films after motherhood with Shah Rukh Khan's King. The film is directed by Siddharth Anand and also stars Suhana Khan, Raghav Juyal, Abhishek Bachchan, Jaideep Ahlawat and Saurabh Shukla in important roles. The film is set to release in theatres on 24th December 2026. In a shocking development, 4 accused arrested in connection with the firing incident at filmmaker Rohit Shetty's residence were produced before the Esplanade Court late on Sunday night. The accused, Swapnil Bandhu Sakat, Siddharth Deepak Ainpure, Samarth Shivsharan Pomaji, and Aditya Gyaneshwar Gaiki, have been remanded to police custody till 5th February. According to police officials, the investigation has revealed disturbing details behind the incident. Arrested accused Samarth Shivsharan Pomaji, along with wanted accused Shubham Lonkar, allegedly hatched a criminal conspiracy to kill Rohit Shetty. As part of this plot, indiscriminate firing was allegedly carried out in the direction of Shetty's residence with the clear intention of murdering him. The case was registered based on a complaint filed by Rohit Shetty's security guard, who alerted authorities after the firing incident. Police immediately launched an investigation, which soon uncovered a well-planned conspiracy involving multiple people. Investigators revealed that Samarth Shivsharan Pomaji allegedly acted as an assistant to the main shooter, who is still wanted by the police. Acting on instructions from Shubham Lonkar, Samarth reportedly procured a Honda Dio scooter with registration number MH12FN20-05 from co-accused Aditya Gyaneshwar Gaiki. Police stated that the scooter was then handed over to the shooter in Mumbai at a pre-decided location with help from the other accused. This vehicle was allegedly used during the execution of the crime. Further investigation revealed that the scooter and other arrangements were made using financial assistance provided by wanted accused Shubham Lonkar. Police say this clearly points toward a planned attempt to kill Rohit Shetty. Officials have concluded that despite being fully aware of the criminal plan, Samarth Shivsharan Pomaji actively participated in the conspiracy and played a key role in executing the offense. His involvement, along with the roles of the other accused, is now being closely examined. As the investigation continues, police are also searching for the wanted accused, including Shubham Lonkar and the main shooter. Authorities say more arrests and revelations could follow as they dig deeper into the case. The incident has raised serious concerns about the safety of public figures, and the coming days are expected to be crucial as the police custody period progresses and further evidence is examined. Dhurandhar has emerged as one of the most successful Indian films at the global box office, making waves both in India and overseas. Despite not getting a theatrical release in the Middle East and Pakistan, the film still earned over $33 million overseas. Last month, a distributor of the Aditya Dhar film claimed it lost nearly $10 million due to its non-release in these regions. Now, after its OTT platform release, that claim seems closer to reality. Following its worldwide OTT debut, Dhurandhar is now trending at number 1 on the OTT platform in Pakistan, just days after its release. Viewers there appear eager to understand why the film has been labelled controversial. Screenshots showing Dhurandhar at number 1 in films on Netflix Pakistan began circulating on social media over the weekend. The Ranveer Singh starrer topped other Bollywood titles like Tere Ishq Mein, Haq, and The Big Fake. The film dropped on the OTT platform on Friday, 8 weeks after its theatrical release, and its popularity has only grown since. Dhurandhar is a spy thriller that stars Ranveer Singh as an Indian spy infiltrating criminal gangs in Pakistan's Lyari region. The film blends real incidents and real-life figures with a fictional narrative centered on India's war against terror. It did not release theatrically in Pakistan, as Indian films have not been allowed in cinemas there for several years. However, the OTT release has sparked massive buzz, with many Pakistani viewers praising the film. One social media user wrote, "As a Pakistani, it's the best ever Bollywood movie I ever watched. First time I saw a film where actual research has been done and there's no use of Adab, Janab, Surma Kajal Topi and West to show Pakistanis. Fantastic movie, casting, shooting, story, everything's on point." Another viewer shared, "I'm Pakistani and I love Dhurandhar. You all gotta stop creating this narrative that we hate you guys and vice versa. It's all love from my side. Don't be rude." Some viewers also felt the film did not demonize Pakistan. One comment read, "The movie actually portrayed Pakistan well. There's nothing against Pakistan people in the movie." Globally, Dhurandhar grossed 1,300 crore rupees, making it the second highest grossing Bollywood film ever. The film also stars Akshay Khanna, R. Madhavan, Sanjay Dutt, and Arjun Rampal. A sequel is already announced and is set to release on 19th March.